A very good morning to one and all who is watching this video. The British Raj and the Revolt of 1857. Children, today we are going to discuss about the British Raj and the Revolt of 1857. Children, history is very interesting, and when we learn many things from the history. In the past, India was a rich and prosperous country. She was once known as the Golden World. Do you understand? Golden World, Sone ki Chidiya, all over the world. People from different countries traded with India. People with different countries traded with India. Some of the Indian goods were highly popular in other countries. Cotton and silk, textiles and handicrafts and spices like pepper and cardamom were in great demand in Europe. India had trade relations with the Arabs, Greeks, and Romans in the past. From the beginning of the 16th century, many other European countries started trading with India. The Portuguese were the first among the Europeans to come to India. Who came to the first at India? Portuguese. It was Vasco da Gama who first discovered the sea route to India by the Cape of Good Hope. He landed in India at Calicut, Kerala in 1498. Kerala was a state well known for its spices. The king of Kerala, Zamorin, thought that the trade with the Portuguese would be profitable, so he granted several facilities to the Portuguese traders. They became wealthy in no time. In the course of time, the Portuguese were able to establish the trade centers at Calicut, Cochin, and Canaan. They were also able to establish their settlements in Diu, Daman, Mumbai, and Chennai. Their authority also extended over the major parts of Ceylon, Sri Lanka. Other European countries like Holland, France, and Britain also developed interest in trade of Indian goods. They came and fought among themselves. The British defeated the other European traders and became the sole traders. बच्चों, समझ रहे हो क्या हुआ था? कैसे हम लोग जो है ब्रिटिश राज भारत में आया था, कैसे हम लोग गुलाम हो गए थे. This was the reason. Some rich British traders formed a company to trade with India. It was named the East India Company. बच्चों, आपने सुना ही होगा the East India Company. The company was given the exclusive right to trade in the East by Queen Elizabeth. The company established permanent centers with big godowns to store the goods. The company established its first factory at Surat on the west coast of India in 1608. The Mughal Emperor Jahangir permitted the company to establish factories in the whole of the Mughal Empire. The company added Chennai, Kolkata, and Mumbai as important trading centers. This was the reason we were under control in British Raj. Thank you for watching this video.